Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Hypercharge on Brawl Stars. So let's get into the video. So buying Hypercharge is very similar to how you buy other stuffs and skins on Brawl Stars. It's pretty simple. So open up the Brawl Stars here. So once you've opened up Brawl Stars, so what you're going to do, if you want to buy Hypercharge, you're going to make sure that you have reached the power levels to unlock the Hypercharge. So I think in Brawl Stars you need to reach up to like a power level of 11 or something to in order to be eligible, then have access to buy the Hypercharge. So if you have access to you have already reached those power level, then you can simply go and select the Hypercharge you want to buy. Simply select it, and then when you select it, so what you're going to do, you're going to like go and buy like how you normally buy other stuff on Brawl Stars. So simply select it, and then once you select it here, it's going to go take you to your Google Play. So when you get to your Google Play, here on the payment method, you can choose the payment method how you want to pay for it. So you can just click on that arrow and then select the payment method how you want to pay it. So once you have added that payment method, then all you have to do is hit on this buy option, and that's how you can buy the Hypercharge. As I said earlier, please keep in mind that you'll only have access to these once you have reached the power level of 11 or something. And that's pretty much it. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.